Goeienaand, ek is Nico van der Merwe van SFC Tactical Solutions. Die video waarna julle nou gaan kyk is 'n opname wat ons gemaak het op Saterdag 14 November op Oudtshoorn op die Kommandant Gideon Skeepers skietbaan. Dit is 'n vlak 1 en 'n vlak 2 handwapenkursus wat SFC aanbied. Vlak 1 bestaan basies uit 'n halwe dag op die skietbaan en dit is om al jou vaardighede en baie belangrik die 7 fundamentele beginsels van skiet te vestig in jou vermoë. 'n Mens kan nie akkuraat en vinnig skiet nie. Jy sal een van die twee moet prysgee. Die ouens maak gewoonlik die fout en hulle wil begin hardloop met vinnige skiet. En as jy nog nie akkuraat is en jy het nog nie die 7 fundamentele beginsels van skiet bemeester nie, help dit nie, jy skiet vinnig nie. Jou skote gaan wild en woes wees en jy gaan nie effektiewe skootplasing hê nie. Jy gaan basies jou ammunisie mors en jou opponent die kans gee om weg te kom. So in basies in vlak 1 bevestig ons slegs die 7 fundamentele skietbeginsels en vlak 2 begin ons die brein inspan. Nadat jy die 7 fundamentele beginsels baas geraak het, sit ons die brein by en dan begin ons om dink. Die vlak 2 kursus is basies 'n middag en 'n aand op die skietbaan. Dit sluit in 'n nagskiet, dit sluit in 'n inleiding tot nagskiet. En dit is 'n regtig bitterlekker kursus. Dit is baie 'n goeie kursus om by te woon as jy net daai bietjie meer vaardigheid in jou hantering wil hê. Die volgende kursus wat ons daarna aanbied is 'n vlak 3 kursus, individuele taktiese fase. Dit is waar ons begin raak aan taktiese opleiding, waar ons geboue en voertuie nader en waar ons werk nog steeds individueel. Hoekom individueel? Want dit gaan oor veiligheid. Veiligheid. In ons vlak 4 kleinspan taktiek kursus bied ons die opleiding gekombineerd aan in spannetjies van 4 mense binne 'n span. Hoekom 4 mense? Want daar is 4 sitplekke binne 'n bakkie of in 'n voertuig en dis waarop ons gaan konsentreer. Geniet die video, sterkte en as jy enige navrae het, kontak ons gerus. Dankie, totsiens, bye bye.
Falling too fast to prepare for this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, run me like a racehorse. Pull me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, word up on your lip. Better that you rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Looking at my body feeling miserable. Always hanging on to the visual. I wanna be invisible. Looking at my years like I'm out of dumb. Never really need to be a part of them. Never be enough on the prodigal son. I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, run me like a racehorse. Pull me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, word up on your lip. Better that you rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Hypothetical, working onto something that I'm proud of. Out of the box and epoxy to the world and the vision we've lost. I'm an apostrophe. I'm just a symbol to remind you that there's more to see. I'm just a product of the system of catastrophe, and yet a masterpiece. And yet I'm half diseased, and when I am deceased, at least I go down I took the grave and died happily, and leave the body of my soul to be a part of me. I do what it takes, whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes, 'cause I love how it feels when I break the chain. Whatever it takes, yeah, take me to the top. I'm ready for whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do what it takes.
Sometimes you just feel tired, feel weak. And when you feel weak, you feel like you want to just give up. But you gotta search within you. Try to find that inner strength and just pull that shit out of you. And get that motivation to not give up and not be a quitter. No matter how bad you want to just fall flat on your face. Till I collapse, I'm spilling these raps long as you feel them. To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. 'Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in web, spin them in hawk venom. Adrenaline shots, the penicillin could not get the illin to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, filling a minimal swap to cop millions of pop listeners. You're coming with me, feel it or not. You're gonna fear it like I showed you. The spirit of God lives in us. You hear it a lot, lyrics to shock. Is it a miracle or am I just product of pop? Listen up, but sizzle my whistle, this is the plot. Listen up, you pizzles for God, Slizzle does not give a fuck.
Comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high, I'ma rip this shit till my bones